In this video, you will learn how to use the new cloud-assisted OCVPN solution in FortiOS 6.0 to greatly simplify provisioning and configuration of IPsec VPN. There are some limitations. The FortiGate must be registered with a valid FortiCare support license. Only full mesh VPN configurations using PSK cryptography are supported. Public IPs must be used. FortiGates behind NAT cannot participate. Non-root VDOMs and FortiGate VMs are not supported. And finally, up to 16 nodes can be added to the OCVPN cloud, each with a maximum of 16 subnets. You can repeat the first step of this tutorial to add up to 16 nodes to the OCVPN cloud, but this example will only cover the configuration of 2 nodes, headquarters and branch. First, on the headquarters FortiGate, go to VPN, one-click VPN settings to enable OCVPN. Set status to enabled, then add the subnets from the headquarters FortiGate that you want to be available through IPsec VPN. Confirm the cloud status. A green checkmark will appear. This may take a minute or two. Switch to the branch FortiGate and repeat these steps. Go to VPN, one-click VPN settings, enable and confirm connection to the cloud service, and add the desired subnets from the branch network. Once both devices are connected, return to the HQ FortiGate, and in the Cloud Members table, select Refresh. The remote gateway and corresponding subnets for each device should appear in the list. Now switch to the branch FortiGate and confirm the same information. As more members are added and the Cloud Members table populates, the OCVPN cloud updates each member automatically. On either FortiGate, go to VPN IPsec tunnels and confirm that a new tunnel has been automatically created with the prefix OCVPN. Go to Network, Static Routes, and you will see the automatically created OCVPN routes. In Policy and Objects, IPv4 Policy, you can confirm the creation and order of the OCVPN policies. Finally, go to Monitor IPsec Monitor and verify that the tunnel status is up. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, click here to subscribe. And you can read a written version of this recipe at cookbook.fortinet.com.